What's going on, everybody? Dylan here with Espresso Outlet, and today behind us we have the Nuova Simonelli Appia Life single group, and we have the Fiorenzato F64 EVO Pro. So I'm going to walk you through how we do our shots of espresso on both of these machines. So this grinder is already dialed in from our very last event, which it should be very close. And then I'm just going to show you how easy it is to brew a shot of espresso with these two paired together. Okay, so first we're just going to purge just a little bit. So we're just going to press this. So now that we purged a couple grams, we're going to go ahead and toss those. And then we're going to go ahead and hit our pre-selected button. So I do like to move it back and forth like this just to kind of even it out into the basket. Next, all we're going to do is use our distribution tool. Give it a nice and firm tamp. And now you have your puck prep all ready. Lastly, we're going to lock it into the group. We are then going to place our cup underneath. And now that's all left to do is hit our pre-program button. And it's just that easy. As you can see, it's got super nice crema. The shot is pulled perfectly at the ratio that we want it. 18 in, about 36 out in about 27 to 30 seconds. It might have changed just a little bit from our last event, but the shot looked really good. All right, so now let's just watch one more time as we go ahead and prepare and pull our shot of espresso. So there are some things I always do after pulling a shot, and that is knocking your puck out. So we're just going to go ahead and knock that out and put that into a garbage. And then I actually have one of these buttons preset. So this first single cup button is actually set just to pretty much purge water out, just to get all of that coffee grinds on the group head into the tray. Just so I can show you the importance, this is after pulling 2 shots and not purging the shower screen. I did this on purpose so you can see how gross it actually gets. So let's just go ahead and purge. So we actually have the single cup button set. So we just push that. And watch how much coffee grinds actually come off the shower screen. And then something I like to do is take a rag, which you don't have to do this, but I like to take a rag and just wipe it after each use. Now this can be time consuming, but it keeps everything nice and clean, and it makes your next shot of espresso taste that much better. So this is just a tip that I can share with you, and this can be used for any espresso machine that you have. So as you can see, pulling a shot on the Nuova Simonelli Appia Life single group is super easy and convenient. Once you get in the morning, dial in your grinder with the machine. Because it is volumetric, it is super easy just to set it and forget it, and allowing the barista to be able to do many of different tasks at the same time while brewing your shot of espresso without having to babysit it like a semi-automatic. So this is the Nuova Simonelli Appia Life single group with the Fiorenzato F64 EVO Pro. This is how we pull our shot of espresso and how simple it truly is. Cheers. So I hope you found that tip at the end to be helpful. I definitely recommend it. Like I said, it does make your shower screen so much cleaner just by doing a simple purge of the group head with a single button. So like I said, we already have this to where it only runs a certain amount before it stops. And after every shot, we push the single cut button, and this ensures that it keeps our shower screen as clean as possible for the very next shot. So that way your customer is not getting any old coffee residue shot after shot after shot after shot. So again, my name is Dylan with Espresso Outlet. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.